Question number 10. A monochromatic light with wavelength of 500 nanometers strikes normally on a diffraction grating and produces the fourth order bright line. Fourth order. So this is a fourth order bright line at an angle of 30 degree. So this is gonna be 30 degree. Okay, so we have to determine the number of slits per centimeter of the grating. So that is d sine theta for, okay, before that I'm just gonna write down the general equation lah. Okay, so this is gonna be sine theta for the fourth order. Okay, so calculate for d, because d would give us 1 over n, and we need to find n equal to 1 over d. Okay, so calculate for the small letter d. So you should get around 4 micrometer. Okay, so you should get around 4 micrometer too. Okay, so after getting the what do we call that, the slit separation, we can then calculate the number of slits per centimeter, which is just this, and you will get 2.5 times 10 to the power 5 lines per meter. Okay, so now this is per meter, we want it in centimeter. Okay, so we divide that again with 100, so then we get 2500 lines per centimeter. Okay, so that is what the question wants. Okay, so basically this is the solution for question number 10 lah. Okay, so what you need to know for this whole chapter is basically knowing which order should you use lah. Okay, because sometimes for this type, for thin films, the order and the, no, sorry, not for thin films, for the double slits experiment, for the double slits, I think, oh no, I mean, you should just know what value of m should you use lah. Okay, macam m ni also. Okay, especially for this separation between the central bright fringe and this dark fringe. If it's telling you that it is the fourth dark fringe, the order must be number 3, not number 4. Okay, and then if they ask you to calculate the number of maximum lines for dark fringe, we should just let this equal to 90 degree, and then dark fringe approximate, then terus dapat the value. But then if for bright fringe, you have to plus 1. And then what else should you know? I think that's basically it. That we've covered everything. I feel like we've covered everything. I think you just need to try and solve the questions by yourself first in order for you to know if you can understand this chapter or not lah. Okay, alright, so that is the end of our chapter 8.